Hey South Africa, quick message for all of you guys. Please, it's time that you start focus on South Africa first. What do I mean with that? I don't care race. You need to put race second. You need to put everything that these politicians in South Africa tell you second. You in your mind need to think of South Africa first. All people in South Africa need to work together. All people in South Africa need to go into the same direction. We need to become the country that love our land the most. White, black, Indian, colored, doesn't matter. We all love that land. We all need to have a mindset of South Africa first. Our kids need to go to school. Our kids need to learn business. Our kids need to learn how to take that country forward. We can't fill our kids' minds with sick history, which was wrong, but let's get over that shit. Let's build our kids for a better South Africa. Let's focus on South Africa first. Let's not focus on party first or leader first. No. We South Africans, we have more in common than what the media and these politicians are telling us. We, from today, need to start with South Africa first. South Africa first. Party second. Nonsense third. We need solutions, not talk about problems. Our kids need our leadership, pushing them into the right direction to make our country become the best country in the world. South Africa can be the best country in the world, but we are holding South Africa back. We are taking the opportunity away from South Africa because these politicians want us to hate each other. It stops. On this account, we spread the message of unity and South Africa first. See you next time. Bye.